Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be talking about Juice Plus Shake. So, if today is the first time watching my video, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Drop a comment, like the video, share with friends, and press the notification bell. Whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first person to notify. And if you have done that, thank you and God bless you. So today's video, I'm going to be talking about Juice Plus products. I'm just smiling because I love the product so much. It's called Shake. It's called Shake, and we have two different type. This is the chocolate type, and this is the vanilla type. In case you don't like chocolate, you can get the vanilla. And in case you don't like vanilla type, you can get the chocolate. So how can you get this product? Just comment on below or inbox me. My number is there, my website is there. Any of the two that you can do, any of the three that you can do is okay. So guys, what is the meaning of this product? What can this product do for you? How is this product made? How can you receive this product? How much? So many questions. So this product, how you can get it is when you inbox me, all you need is just your information, your house address. The company will do the shipping by themselves. You will get it. All you just need, just contact me. Then you will give me your information. Then the company will send this product to you, to your house, within 2 to 3 to 5 working days. Then it's very affordable price. You can get it. If you cannot pay in full payment, you can pay monthly payment. Monthly payment is allowed. So for you to know that this product